Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best laser level PLs that are available on the market for their true quality.
I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price, you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video.
Starting at number 5, we have the BOSCH GLL30 Crossline Laser Level. The BOSCH GLL30 30 feet Crossline Laser Level is an ideal tool for homeowners and small remodeling jobs. It features a crossline mode that projects 2 bright laser lines for a variety of level and align uses. With its smart pendulum system, the laser can self-level and indicate out-of-level condition. It offers accuracy of 5/16 inch at 30 feet. And is highly visible up to 30 feet. The small and compact design makes it easily portable, and it comes with a 360-degree flexible mounting device. However, it has some limitations, such as being hard to see in bright sunlight and requiring precise setup. Overall, the BOSCH GLL30 is a reliable and accessible laser level for basic DIY tasks. Moving on, at number 4, we have the BOSCH GLL25-10 Laser Level. The BOSCH GLL25-10 is a versatile self-leveling laser level that projects bright red laser lines. With its 3-in-1 modes, you can easily switch between vertical and horizontal lines or use both to create a cross-line laser grid. It features a self-leveling, smart pendulum for quick and accurate alignment. The wide clamp mount allows you to attach it to virtually any surface, and it can be easily tightened or loosened for quick setup. The GLL25-10 also has a secure transport feature, with its self-locking pendulum. Overall, this laser level is a handy tool for home decor and renovation projects. The BOSCH GLL25-10 is a reliable and handy laser level for various home decor and renovation projects. At number 3, we have the Onerbl 5.6 volts AC/DC adapter replacement. The Onerbl 5.6 volts 0.7A AC/DC adapter is a high-quality replacement power charger adapter designed for the KD500CIIIP3X Pacific Laser Level, PLS HVR 500, HVR 505 Rotary, HVR 500, HVR 505, HVR 505R, HVR 505G, KD 500CV, and PLS 60532. It features an input of AC 100 to 240 volts 50/61 of a Hz auto, providing worldwide compatibility. The adapter offers over-voltage and overheat protection, ensuring the safety of your device. It has been tested and proven to be in great working condition. With its compact dimension of 6.00 x 4.00 w x 2.00 h, this AC/DC adapter is convenient to use and carry around. If you're in need of a reliable replacement charger adapter, the Onerbl 5.6 volts AC/DC adapter is a great choice. At number 2, we have the PLS 3G 3-point green tool. The Pacific Laser Systems 3G 3-point green tool is a versatile and durable laser level designed for easy plumb alignment. With its green laser, it provides superior visibility and accuracy. The tool is IP54 rated, offering dust and water protection, and it has been drop tested to ensure reliability in demanding work environments. The pendulum lock feature enhances stability during transport and storage. It is a trusted tool for rigging points and is used by framing contractors. However, some customers have reported issues with the size and brightness compared to previous models. Overall, the Pacific Laser Systems 3G 3-point green tool is a solid laser level with room for improvement. And finally, at number 1, we have the Pacific Laser Systems PLS 6GZ Combo Point and Line Green Laser Tool. The Pacific Laser Systems PLS 6GZ Combo Point and Line Green Laser Tool is a top-notch product that excels in its brightness and durability. Users have praised its performance, comparing it favorably to other popular brands. With easy plumb, level, and square alignment capabilities, it offers convenience and accuracy. The laser tool is also IP54 rated for dust and water protection, ensuring durability in various work environments. With a pendulum lock and 1M drop tested construction, it showcases its robustness. The green LED feature is particularly impressive, providing excellent visibility even in daylight.
Thanks you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.